Hey, what's up, guys? How is it going? Some days back, there is particular someone that is requesting me to make a video on how to categorize your video on Rumble platform. So I'll just decide to go broad and then try to explain to you in details on what Rumble platform is all about and how to get your videos published on the platform, as well as getting your video viral on Rumble platform as well. Then we're going to talk about the monetization and basically everything about Rumble platform. So you can get started, and if you should consider this platform over YouTube or something. So first and foremost, I'm going to talk about how I get started with this platform. So I started this platform with some of my YouTube videos, sorry, some of my YouTube videos, and back then I was able to use some ideas whereby I copy some videos from YouTube, which I literally don't own those videos, then come up here on Rumble platform and upload the video on my Rumble profile to make money with them. So lately, I guess Rumble increased their this thing. I really don't understand. So I reached out to customer support and asked them why I was unable to make money on some of my videos on the channel. So they told me that I cannot monetize those videos because I don't own them. So that was way back. So I decided to use another method, which I have to make videos for Rumble platform on its own, separately from my videos for YouTube channel. So that is that. If you are trying to make money on Rumble platform with videos that you don't own, I think that would be very, very wrong as this time around, because you won't get paid. Even though if you get thousands of views on your videos, Rumble will not pay you a dime for those views because you don't own those videos. So then I come up with, like, was this option is not that useful again, because there's an option whereby you have to exclude YouTube from to monetize your videos on Rumble platform. So I don't know why that is not working again. So if you click on upload video here, then if you choose to upload your video, then just try to upload the video so you can actually understand what I'm trying to talk about. So let me just choose a video. So stock footage. So I just want to use this video as an example so you can understand the exact part I'm trying to talk about. So then so I lose some interest on the platform lately. It's not that I'm not trying to create content for them, but you know, it's not that easy to be making videos for separately for YouTube and another video for Rumble platform as well. So if I have a chance, then I'll prefer to hire someone to make video for me instead. So then, okay, this video is almost done. So yeah, the video has uploaded successfully. Okay, so as you can see, it's loading some thumbnail idea. If I'll be able to choose one out of them, so just choose this. So if you have your channel, you can just choose the channel you want to upload the videos on. So I'll also show you how to create a channel as well. So you click on upload here. So this exact stage I'm talking about. So as you can see, if my video doesn't included on YouTube, so I can just go ahead with this option, which is inclusive of YouTube channel. So if I want to exclude YouTube, so this is the best option. Rumble only, which they will not promote my video on any other platform aside from Rumble platform. So I don't know much about this, but I guess if you don't want to monetize a video, so this is the best option for you. So then if you want Rumble to share your videos on other platform which they run ads on, but it will only exclude YouTube platform. So this option is just for you, and this has always been the option that I've been using before when I'm getting content from YouTube. So this is the whole stuff here. But if you're trying to make a video for Rumble platform alone, so I'll prefer you go for this option, because so that you can actually earn enough as time goes on. So, and back then I was able to generate like maybe $3, $4, $5 based on the kind of content. But most of my videos generate $5 per 1,000 views from Rumble platform. So that's not a bad idea, and it's really worth it. So even though back then I'm not being able to make money on YouTube just like Rumble platform, so I think it's really worth it. So that is just for that. And then after that I move on to another stuff entirely. So I have not been able to make a video for Rumble platform. So then if you want to create a channel for your Rumble platform or Rumble channel or anything, so just come ahead to, I think, is it account and overview. Okay, yeah. So then you come up here to channel. So yeah, channels, create a channel. Okay, sorry. So you click on create a channel here, then you'll be able to create your channel successful here. And you can actually run multiple channels just like YouTube. So you have different options as well. So you upload your cover arts and then the logo, the channel logo here, then choose the channel name. So then you proceed, and if anytime you want to upload, so you just choose this option here, so that you can be able to choose the kind of channel, the type of channel you want to upload the content to. So this is one channel which I just created on this account, which is finance guy. So this finance guy is literally based on kind of cryptocurrency finance videos and all that. So that is that. And due to some that person that asked for how to create a category on Rumble. I'm not sure, because I've been trying to find that particular page where I can create a category on Rumble platform, but I was unable to find that. So I think it's not possible to create a category. But of course, you can create different kind of channels, and you can choose any channel you want your videos to belongs to. So that is just for that. And if you want to promote your video to get massive views on Rumble platform, so you need to know the kind of videos you want to be uploading on your channel on Rumble, and also where to share your videos. So I make some videos on how to share or promote your video on Quora platform, which has always been effective, and up to date I'm still getting views on my videos on Rumble platform, even though those videos are not owned by me. So I was copying the videos from YouTube, just like I said earlier. So, and those videos are still generating views, just that they are not getting paid. So no commission for those videos from Rumble platform. So other things I would like to talk about is setting up your withdrawal option on Rumble. So I'm not sure if I've made a video on that. So I think it's other option, payment option here. Okay, so I think this account has not getting payments yet. So it's on account verification. So as you can see here, you need to verify your phone number first before you can do anything. So as you can see here, this account is verified, and I can upload new videos, cash out your earnings, leave comment on videos, maybe probably other people's videos. So just come here to account options. So then you can choose uh your withdrawal option and the payment. Sorry. Okay, you can choose your payment here. So you can see a payment, then you put your PayPal email here, then you click on update. So they will send a confirmation code to your either your phone number or your email address. So that is that I have for you in this video. And literally I don't think there is any hidden stuff which I need to discuss about on Rumble platform. So it's just what just actually matter is getting your videos viral on the platform, and also uh getting the right videos which will get you a lot of views on the platform. So aside from that, you are really cool with the platform, and the platform is kind of like easy for you to operate. It's very easy. And of course, it's literally hard to get views at some point, because I won't say that it's easy, but probably maybe I was just lucky because the method I tried really worked for me. So, and up to date, I don't have any issue running or promoting video from YouTube, from Rumble platform. So this is all for you in this video. If you literally have a particular question which you would like to know about Rumble platform, so you can drop a comment and I will reply to it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.